Hello, my name is Oscar. I study at the Pan American University of Puerto in the Faculty of Education and Humanities School of Modern Languages. In today's video, I'm going to talk about two very important terms in linguistics in the English language, used in English language to communicate and structure two crucial parts of communication, which are first, time, and second, internal constituency of words. Or not words, but actions, events, states. But to explain this, I need to bring up the terms which I'm referring to, which are tense and aspect. So both of these terms function within the English language structure to bring and communicate these two factors that I have already mentioned. In the case of expressing time, that is where tense comes up. Tense is the way in which in the English language time is expressed in grammar. And the way that it happens in the English language is through some modifications, alterations, like in looking at it with an example, like adding the morpheme or particle ed to a verb, right, allows us to express that the action happened in the past. For example, if we have the verb talk and we add the morpheme ed at the end, we have talked, and now we have communicated that the action happened in the past. So we have configured the time, and that is precisely what tense is and what it refers to when talking about it in linguistics. Now, as I was saying at the beginning of the video, aspect deals, as I said, with the internal constitutivity of events, actions, states, events, etc. So what does this mean? What aspect of communication does aspect change in few words? And precisely what it changes is, for example, the possibility to communicate if an action is ongoing or if it is completed. Okay, so an example would be the termination ing that allows us to communicate that an action is still ongoing. For example, if we took the expression I walk, right? I walk, and we change the structure and add the termination ing, I am walking, I am communicating that the action is still ongoing. And this relates to aspect in linguistics. So again, to summarize, tense correlates to the property in English language to address and specify time. And aspect deals again with the internal constituency. For example, aspects such as if events or actions or etc. are still ongoing or are completed. So I hope you enjoyed this explanation of tense and aspect. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.